Hello everyone, today we learn action verbs with sentences. Run. The dog loves to run in the park. Jump. Can you jump over the puddle? Eat. I like to eat apples for a snack. Play. Let's play with the new toy. Read. She likes to read storybooks at bedtime. Sing. We will sing happy birthday to grandma. Draw. Can you draw a picture of a house? Swim. They swim in the pool every summer. Cook. Mom will cook dinner tonight. Write. Write your name on the paper. Dance. We dance to the music in the living room. Clap. Everyone clap in the birthday party. Laugh. The joke made everyone laugh. Sleep. The boy is asleep in the bed. Build. Let's build a sand castle on the beach. Catch. Catch the ball and throw it back to me. Kick. He can kick the saucer ball really far. Help. Help me clean up the toys. Watch. We watch cartoons on these Saturday mornings. Listen. Listen to the birds singing outside. Carry. Can you help me carry this bag? Sit. Sit. Please sit on the chair. Stand. Stand up straight and tall. Walk. We walk to school every day. Open. Open the door for your friend. Close. Close your book when you are done reading. Wash. Wash your hands before eating. Brush. Brush your teeth twice a day. Drink. Don't forget to drink water. Ride. They ride their bikes in the park. Throw. Throw the ball to your teammate. Pull. Pull the rope to open the curtain. Push. Push the button to start the game. Smile. Smile for the camera. Talk. We talk to our friend at recess. Catch. Catch the butterfly gently. Build. They build a tower with blocks. Color. Color the picture with your crayons. Count. Can you count to 10? Drive. Dad will drive us to the zoo. Find. Find the hidden treasure. Hold. Hold my hand when we cross the street. Look. Look both ways before crossing. Make. Let's make a card for mom. Paint. Paint the fence with a brush. Pick. Pick up the litter and put it in the bin. Point. Point to the picture you like best. Rest. It's time to rest after a busy day. Share. Share your toys with your friends. Shout. Don't shout in the library. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos. Thank you.